Greetings, one and all, short and tall, big and small. My name is Amina Blackwood-Meeks. And what about the rabbit, who was always smiling? Rain a fall, storm a blow, climate change, rabbit a smile. That vex King Lion, you know, for when certain people in position, them don't like to see people who not in position always looking so happy. Them think for them job is to make other people suffer. So King Lion wanted to know why the rabbit was always smiling. So him called convention to find out. He invited all the other animals except the rabbit. And to make matters worse, him set up the convention center right beside rabbit yard. Convention day come, and everybody walk past rabbit and look down upon him and don't say nothing and go inside the center. But rabbit know that where dogs are not invited, no bones are provided. So him in a him yard and look like a Spanish needle for him breakfast. And as soon as King Lion go so and ready for go start the meeting, him hear like somebody singing outside. So him send mongoose to investigate. Knock the rabbit out there and sing peace and love, and I stamp him foot and shake him head and clap him hand. So what you think mongoose do? Take away one of the hand and say he can get it back when the meeting is finished. And him advised the king that he could proceed with the proceedings. The word never out of the mouth good. Them hear the singing start up again. This time, no brother snake run outside for discover say you could in fact clap with one hand. So him take the other hand and say he will give it back when the meeting is finished. And him advised the king same way that he could proceed with the proceedings. As soon as the king start to proceed, now the song start sing again. Here comes brother Jankra now, run outside to see that the rabbit was still stomping. So him decide say him going to take off one foot. So him take off one foot and advise the king the same piece of advice. And there was the stomping again. This time who you think go outside? Not the donkey. And the donkey take with the other foot and go on inside to tell the king that everything was copacetic. He could continue. But the singing is what did continue. This time now some other animal go outside there and see rabbit a still a shake him head, man, and him take the head. And as soon as the king was about to start the meeting, him not hear the singing again. So King Lion decides that this time him is going to go outside there himself, and everybody must follow back at him to see what was going on. Well, what did he see going on? The link stump of the body of the rabbit, no head, no hand, no foot, but him a jump up, and the king thought he heard us singing. So him walk up to the little stumper body to see what was going on, and him see like something beating, which part the heart should be, and him put him ears to it, and where you think him hear the same song. Peace and love I live with you. And I just saw him find out the secret of why the rabbit was always smiling. Because he had a song of hope and joy and peace and love so deep inside his heart that nothing and nobody could have stopped him from smiling and singing. Peace and love I live with you. Peace and love